Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you, Kinza?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, ala rabbil alameen, mashallah. Are you ready, Kinza, for lesson?
Yes, I'm ready.
Mashallah, very good. Can you see your lesson picture?
Yes.
Okay. Inshallah, we'll make more practice on new words today, yeah?
Okay.
I'm going to highlight the first word. Top line. Can you see properly?
Yeah, I can see.
Yes. Okay, Kinza, can you read by yourself? What is that word? Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Yes.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yes.
يا زبا عين سكون.
The first letter had the two
Yeah.
dots on the top, you know?
Oh, yeah. Ta
Yes.
زبر
Very good, mashallah.
عين سكون.
Yes.
Ta.
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 Yes.
Ba pish bu.
Yes, mashallah.
Dal pish du.
Dal, pesh, and next letter have sakun. So it means
Waw sakun.
wow sakun.
Du.
So yeah. Okay, then last letter have
Nun.
yes.
Nun zabar na.
Nun zabana. Okay. Let's read all letters together.
Yabuduna.
The first letter ta.
Oh yeah, tabudun na.
Yes, ta. Buduna.
Tabuduna.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Okay. Yes. Next word is yes.
Alif zabar nun sakun an.
Yes, mashallah. Then
Ain zabar is it meme sakun?
yeah, correct. Sure, that is meme. Yes.
I'm
Yes, then
ta zabar ta.
yes.
So
An.
na ta.
MashaAllah. That is anta. MashaAllah. Okay. Second line, first word is yes.
Alif zabar
Yes.
nun sakun
Yes. Yes.
Qaf zabar alif sakun.
You know the what come after raw letter?
Zo.
Za. So that letter is za. Good.
Za.
Yes.
Za zabar alif. Lam sakun.
Yes.
Zal.
Zal.
Zali.
Yes, zal. Okay, then
Nun zabar na.
noon zabar. And
Na.
what is last letter after noon?
Alif.
Alif. Noon zabar alif.
Nun zabar alif na.
Nah. Okay. Now you need to read all letters together.
Zana.
Anzalna.
Anzalna.
MashaAllah. So this word is anzalna.
Anzalna.
Yes. Read the next word after that word.
Qaf zabar ka.
Can you guess again? Try to read the first letter again. First letter known as
Af.
what come after ha letter? What come?
Za.
What come after ha? Jim, ha, and then
Kho.
ho. Yeah,
Kho.
this is ho. Oh, okay.
Kho.
Yes.
Kho zabar kho.
Ho, zabar, ho. Good. Yes. Correct. Then.
Dal zabar da.
Oh, that is not dal. Again, look at the shape. That's confirmed that
alif.
that letter is not alif. Yeah, not alif. So
Is it lam?
yeah, that letter is lam. Okay.
Lam zabar kof sakun. Lok.
Lak.
Lak.
Yes.
Nun zabar alif. Na.
Yes. Mashallah.
Olakna.
خلقنا. Mashallah. Very good. Okay. So last word that line have. I mean, can you try to read by yourself? Yes.
Ro zabar ra.
Yeah, correct. Mashallah. Then
Fa zabar ain sakun. Fine.
fa zabar ain sakun. What sound become? Try to read again.
Fa.
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 Yes, fa. Yes, fa. Then
Nun zabar alif na.
very good. Mashallah. All letters together now.
Ra. Ro. Rofana.
Well done. Mashallah. Mashallah. Well done. Third line. First word is yes.
Nun pesh to sakun.
Yes.
Nu. Nut.
Mashallah. Right.
Fa zabar fa.
Yes.
And then Kof. Is this like kof?
Mm-hmm. Their shape is not cough. Guess again. Look at this shape just. When that letter is empty, I mean without dot, then letter known as ha. Now this letter have two dots on the top, so we call this letter.
Hamza.
Mm-hmm. One more try.
Hamza. Oh, ha.
When this letter doesn't have any dot, then letter known as ha. So no,
Ha.
ta. Correct, mashallah. That letter is ta. Yes, ta,
Yeah.
ta. Okay.
Ha. Ha double zir 10.
Yes, mashallah.
So no. Not fatin.
Not fatin, mashallah. Correct. Okay. Next, please.
Ein zir. I.
Ein zir. And what is next letter which have one dot bottom?
Ein zir ba sakun. Aib.
Aib. Aib.
Aib.
Yes, aib. Okay. Yes, then.
Ro zabar ra.
Yes, mashallah.
And then ta double pesh on.
Yes, mashallah. Correct.
Aiba roton.
Super. Next line, please.
Mim pesh tin sakon. Miss.
Mim pesh sin sakun. Again, read.
Mus.
Mus. Yes, mashallah. Mus. Okay, then.
Fa zir B.
Yes, mashallah. Musfi.
Ra, zabar, ra.
Yes.
Ha, double pesh, one.
Yes.
Musfiratun.
Very good. MashaAllah. Sadaq Allahul Azim.